And welcome to the Streamline Premium Template Option video tutorial. So let's select this and we'll call it project name Demo 3 page title. The previous one you can use Spin Tex. So I've got my three main keywords there. Page description. So I needed a description. I just went to CH GPT. Please review this site and give me a 30-word description, and this is what it gave me. So I'm just going to copy and paste that into description. Main keyword. Keywords. So the keywords are entered, so click on next. So we've got the article to post, we've got the upload file, and I'll talk about the upload file now. That is where you can upload your own full HTML template it can be a full template, and then that will be uploaded to each of the bucket sites in replacement for all of the stuff here. So you can create your own template, have all the content that you like in any design that you like. Click on upload file, choose the file, and then EVO 4 will build out all the bucket sites using your exact template. Very, very cool. And if you don't have your own template, you can go to article to post, but we'll find a great title to put here. And I think I'm using a long tail keyword phrase with all the terms: deep sea fishing charters, which is the main. Gold Coast is the location, Queensland, Australia, and we'll just see what it comes up with. So that's going to OpenAI, and it comes back with this. So remember, these are article titles, not SEO titles that go in the page. The software handles that for you. So I think I like that one, which I'll copy and I will paste there. Then I go to AI article, key phrase. Actually, I'll go back here. Let's copy that. Copy article, and it will create the article content for us with headers. This is SEO optimized based on the keyword phrase that you entered. And do we want Spin Tex? Yes, so I'll go Spin Tex, and then that will update here. There you go. Control A, Control C, and I'll paste that here. So you want another one, just write another article, depending on how much content you like. Typically that one article will be enough, but I'll just show you how you can pump into, if you like, Spin Tex. Boom. Control A, Control C to copy, go here to the bottom. There you go. Now AI images, key phrase, there you go. Perfect. So I'll copy here, copy. Now that is the base 64, and what that means is that it will display this image. Where's the image icon? You just paste the base 64 code in there, insert image, except I should have put it up the top. You got to put the cursor where you want it, so I'll do it again. Control V. Perfect. I'll just bump that text down a bit. Sweet. Now I'll just find the other one and delete it. I can put another image in there if I like. I can go here. I'll just get rid of that. So you can put as many images in as you like. Copy. Go back over to the article, get rid of that one. Actually, I'll just stick that there. I like that. Paste. Done. So we've covered AI titles, articles, and images. We have Spin Tex articles with Spin Tex. So this is going to be the content they see on the page. Click next. Choose the linking method. I'm going to choose number 3. Add all. So these are all the bucket sites that the sites will be going to, and we click on finish. That is what the base 64 looks like. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see the article content. Very cool. Start job and all done. In the next video, we're going to do the affiliate monster module.